Good morning. I am going to get these windows tinted today in my 2013 Hyundai Genesis, and as you can see, they definitely need some. So going over to Fireside Window Tint in Jacksonville, Florida on Beach Street. I'm going to get out and do a quick video of the before and then after and show you what this new whip is going to look like. Have a great day. Hey everybody, and here is the inside after the tint. You can see it's a little bit darker. You can see out really well, but from the outside, this whip looks badass. A little cloudy today, but this is what it looks like pre-tint with no tint. And here is the after. It just got done. You can see that I got 30 on the front, 15 on the backs, 15 on the very back. That looks pretty tight. Definitely makes the car.